have an example in harmonic sequences. Our example number 1. Find the 14th term of the sequence 1 over negative 10, 1 over negative 3, and 1 over 4, and so on. So when we talk about harmonic sequence, it is the reciprocal of the arithmetic sequences. So, ibig sabihin, ang reciprocal pala ng arithmetic sequence, ibabaliktad natin sa numerator magiging denominator, ang denominator magiging numerator, is ang harmonic sequence. So we have the given harmonic sequence here. So given ang harmonic sequence natin na 1 over negative 10, 1 over negative 3, 1/4, and so on. If we're going to reciprocate this given, so ang reciprocal nito, we have negative 10, negative 3, 4, so on. Bakit wala na tayong over 1? Kasi we understood that any number divided by 1 is the number itself. Or any number multiplied by 1, it's the number itself. So we are applying the identity property of multiplication. Same as true with division. So kukunin na nung natin is yung common difference ng negative 10 at 3, at saka negative 3 at saka 4. So ang common difference natin is a sub 2 minus a sub 1. So magiging negative 3 minus negative 10. So change the sign of the subtrahend by the rules of integers and proceed to addition. So negative 3 plus 10 is equal to 7. So ang common difference is 7. So we will verify if we subtract a sub 3 minus a sub 2. So we have 4 minus negative 3. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So magiging plus ito. So 4 plus 3 magiging 7. So we already have the D, which is equal to 7. Ang n natin, ang hinahanap natin is ang 14th term. And we have also the a sub 1 is equal to negative 10. So, by the formula in the arithmetic sequence, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. So, we have negative 10 plus 14 minus 1 times 7. This is a sub 14. So, a sub 14 is equal to negative 10 plus 13 times 7. So, 13 times 7 natin dito is equal to 91. So, negative 10 plus 91, ang a sub 14 natin dito is equal to 81. In the arithmetic sequence, the 14th term is 81. However, we are finding the harmonics, the 14th term of the harmonic sequence. So, ang 81 natin dito, i-reciprocate naman natin. So ang reciprocal ng 81, so 81 over 1 is equal to 1 over 81. Therefore, ang 14th term natin is 1 over 81. So we have example number 2. Find the 12th term of the sequence 1, 4 over 5, 2/3, 7, 4 over 7, and so on. So, ang given natin dito is 1, 4/5, 2/3, 4 over 7. So kapag i-reciprocate natin siya, ang reciprocal, we have 1, 5 over 4, 3 over 2, 7 over 4, and so on, so forth tayo. So, makabuo ba tayo ng arithmetic sequence dito? Titignan natin. A sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to 5 over 4 minus 1. So, get the LCD. So, 5 minus 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 5 is 5. 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 1 is 4. So, may 1/4. A sub 3 minus a sub 2 is equal to 3 halves minus 5 over 4. So, this is 4. This is 6 minus 5. We will do the same process, LCD, divided by denominator times numerator. So, the answer is 1/4. Kapag i-minus natin ng 7 over 4 sa 3 halves, we will arrive at the same difference, which is equal to 1/4. Therefore, the reciprocal of the given harmonic sequence is an arithmetic sequence. So we can define B as 1/4, N is 12, and A sub 1 equal to 1. Mag-base tayo ang A sub 1 natin doon sa reciprocal, hindi doon sa given talaga. Pero nagkataon lang na 1 ito, so 1 over 1, i-reciprocate natin. It's still 1. So we have A sub N is equal to A sub 1 plus N minus 1 times B. So we have A sub 12 is equal to 1 plus 12 minus 1 times 1/4. So A sub 12 is equal to 1 plus 11 times 1/4. I-times natin ng 11 sa 1. Wala naman tayong makakancel. So A sub 12 is equal to 1 plus 11 over 4. And this is equal to, so over 1. So 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 1 is 4 plus 11. So 4 plus 11 is equal to 15 over 4. 15 over 4 ang 12th term ng arithmetic sequence natin. Yung doon sa reciprocal. Now, paano natin makukuha yung term talaga sa harmonic sequence? We are going to reciprocate lamang. So, we're going to reciprocate. I-reciprocate lang natin ang 15 over 4. To reciprocate, change the position sa ang denominator magiging numerator, ang numerator magiging denominator. So, magiging 4 over 50. Therefore, ang 12th term natin is equal to 4 over 50, which is the 12th term of the harmonic sequence 1, 4 over 5, 2/3, and 4 over 7, and so forth.